Hi everyone, I'm Jesse from Farol Ltd. I'm stood here with Peter, who is our ground care salesman here at Farol Ltd. He's brought this machine out for our machine of the week, and I'll hand you over to him and he'll show us around it.
Great, hello to everyone. So what we've got here is the X950R. It's actually in 4 models. What we brought out here for you to have a look at is the 48-inch rear discharge, cut and collect, commercial, high tip, cut and collect grass machine. There are 3 other models. We have the 48-inch low tip. There is also a 54-inch cutting width, high tip and also low tip. It's powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine and it's 2-wheel drive. Also has heavy cast iron front axle, designed to cut 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. So just showing on the access of the X950, just a single pull forward on the bonnet, opens up the engine to give you good access to the front here, which you can see with the 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel. All the air is drawn in for the coolant through the sides, comes in through the side, in through the oil cooler, through the radiator, out and through and out. So of course keeping these nice and clear enables good cooling, and also to aid the cooling is you've got a little pipe here where you can actually just pull out, big fly screen, wipe that clean, and keeps the most of the debris away from blocking up your radiator. This is all important in these dusty conditions we're experiencing, especially like from last year. Air filter, easy to manage. It's electronic, it's actually on the dashboard. We don't even have to worry about the air filter unless the dashboard tells us in between servicing. And again, ISO mounted on the engine, onto the chassis, gives you nice vibration-free control for smoothness of running and comfort for the operator. Because it's 2-wheel drive, we also have a differential lock operation in case you have traction situations, maybe possibly in access areas like gates where they tend to get poached up a little. Height of cut adjustment, very easy to adjust your height of cut, which then can be operated via the lever on the other side, which I'll show you in a minute, for raising and lowering the cutting height. Engine throttle, headlights, adjustable steering column. So we've got the handbrake come emergency brake, which is engaged or disengaged via the orange lever here. Hydrostatic transmission, forward and reverse pedals, side by side for easy operation again for the operator. Electronic PTO engagement, on and off. And we also have a cruise control button here. A lot of people will say cruise control really on a mower, but actually if you're in a rough area, especially as these commercial mowers will be, very difficult to keep your foot steady on the pedals. So once you've got your comfortable mowing speed by operating the cruise control, you can keep it a much more consistent forward speed without your foot rocking up and down and giving you almost like kangaroo petrol, or diesel in this case. We have a joystick control here which is multifunction. Left and right, while sitting on the seat, raises and lowers the cutting deck to your preset height of cut. Forward and back raises the collector, and we'll see later on when I actually operate this, there's a grey button on the side here. When that is depressed and also pulled back, it'll actually tip the collector and empty it. There is also another lever here which you may have spotted. There is an area between the cutting deck and the collector, which is the tunnel where all the grass is travelling. Now if you've got a fair distance to maybe run from your dumping area to your mowing area, there's a possibility that the material will vibrate its way down and fill into the trunking area. So when you're emptying and the collector's up in the air, by pulling this, that can discharge the material which is hanging to keep the access clear, to make sure you've got good direction of grass into the collector itself. So once you can see the collector actually in its full extent, you can actually empty at any particular height, but this is its full extent. If we all need to get off and just inspect the exit area, we've got a couple of safety points here. So just come down here and lock the rams. And as you can see, coming back, the collector in its highest position is going to dump the grass at this point. See how far it is back from the mower? It means if you're dumping into a trailer or into a compost area, you can get it right to the back of your compost. You don't have to then re-fork it back into the high positions. You've also got a position underneath with the ram to operate, obviously closed and shut, and it's all done on that collector, the joystick button we talked about before. So you've got the one lever which will raise to any height and then to tip at any height.
Well, thank you for Peter for bringing this machine out. We hope you enjoyed it. For more information, get in touch with Peter.
Yeah, and I can catch me on my email address, which is helpspeter@farol.co.uk, and I'll look forward to speaking to you or helping you out with any other questions you may have.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.